Do you dread stepping into your home because of a chaotic entryway or cluttered mudroom? Every arrival shouldn't feel like a cleanup. Imagine transforming that stressful corner into a polished, welcoming space that resets your mood the moment you walk in. In this video, you'll discover 10 powerful decoration ideas that combine style and storage, turning a messy entry into a magnet for serenity and Instagram-worthy decor.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can you create an inviting layout that balances form and function? Designing an entryway that's both stylish and functional starts by understanding who uses it, how often, and what they bring inside. Begin with a rough map. Note where doors open, how people flow in and out, and existing furniture. Define zones, like shoe storage, coat drops, and key surfaces, and use rugs or furniture placement to subtly mark these areas. A knee-height bench acts as both seat and storage anchor, while open shelves beneath hold daily footwear. Add a tall, narrow cabinet for extras like umbrellas or backpacks. Finally, select an entry rug that reflects your style while protecting floors. This multi-layered, practical layout ensures that flow and beauty coexist effortlessly. Like this structured layout? Give it a thumbs up and share it with someone planning a home refresh. What materials should you choose for durable yet stylish storage? Materials used in your entryway not only define its charm, they determine longevity under daily wear. Solid wood, like oak or walnut, offers classic warmth and excellent durability. It ages beautifully when sealed with a clear satin finish. Wicker or seagrass baskets add texture and camouflage clutter, perfect for tossing hats or gloves. For a modern edge, integrate matte black metal hooks or pipe frame shelving, which are strong and moisture resistant. A savvy mix might include wooden bench tops, metal supports, and woven bins, each material contributing its best feature. Top everything with scuff-resistant finishes and stain-resistant liners, and you'll have a space that's ready for wear and tear without losing its charm. Should you use open shelving or closed storage? Whether you choose open or closed entryway storage depends on your tolerance for visibility and hands-on lifestyle. Open shelving keeps everything in sight. Great for displaying curated items like baskets or decor. And it encourages tidiness since you see what's there. But it can look cluttered if not managed. Closed storage, such as cabinets or lidded bins, hides mess and maintains a calm aesthetic, but sometimes leaves you digging for what you need. Try a hybrid system. Open cubbies at shoe level for daily pairs, closed cabinets above for seasonal items. This layered approach keeps things accessible, tidy, and stylistically precise. How do benches enhance both comfort and design? A well-designed bench is more than a seat. It's the heart of your entryway. Choose an upholstered bench with durable performance fabric to resist dirt and fading. Underneath, open cubbies or pull-out drawers make for quick shoe stowage. You might opt for a hinged top bench with hidden storage for pet leashes or mittens. Look for benches with tapered legs or a raised frame to preserve openness and avoid visual clutter. Add a cushion in your accent color or a faux leather strap as a handle. This furniture piece becomes a cozy focal point and seamlessly combines utility and charm. What wall accents can elevate the entry's decor? Walls offer a blank canvas for creating personality and purpose. Install matching coat hooks at varying heights for family members of different heights. Mix metal and wood hooks for visual contrast. Above these, hang a decorative framed mirror to bounce light and give your area depth. Incorporate a slim floating shelf for keys, sunglasses, and mail, with small compartments or decorative hooks below. Or go big with shiplap or beadboard panels, painted in a chic hue to add subtle texture. Carefully layered wall features elevate everyday practicality into distinct polished design. How can flooring and rugs define zones and manage mess? The right floor choices anchor your entry visually and practically. Durable materials like porcelain tile or luxury vinyl plank resist mud and moisture. Use a patterned medallion rug to welcome guests and define the shoe removal area. Add a narrow runner leading to coat storage in wash-and-go materials like polypropylene. Place a boot tray near the door for overflow and wet items. Layering rugs creates visual boundaries and makes each functional zone feel intentional, while maintaining a cohesive look across the space. Your entryway or mudroom doesn't need to feel like chaos. It can be an organized, stylish gateway that sets the tone for your home. By thoughtfully crafting layout, materials, seasonal updates, and personal decor, you create space that's both functional and inviting. Start with one idea today. You'll be amazed how quickly your entry transforms into something you enjoy every day.